So I did build an add-on for my drill press to be able to use it as a mill with end mill. I already had the cross saw table and stuff, and basically it's not the best thing. A real mill, it's going to be a real mill, but that one, it does what I'm gonna need to do. I just got small part to mills and stuff. So because the main problem with a drill press turned as a mill, but the shank is not perfectly, it wobbles a bit, and the motor is not made for that. The bearing are not made for that. So, but for light milling, no steel, but at least aluminum and a bit of wood, it's gonna do perfectly. So basically the add-on is a worm gear that is set with the handle. I added a lock to be able to switch from normal drill press to basically milling. So basically that's what I did. So just to show you what I have and the way it works, it's I just screw the handle like that. There we go. And here, but oops, there we go. And basically there's a cover, and I did print everything with a 3D printer. Basic PLA, I used 0.6 high temperature and just 30% filling, so it's not too bad. There we go. Now there we go. So we got the worm gear and the worm wheel basically, and when the lock it moved the whole system up and down. I grease everything because that's the best way to keep PLA working, unless it won't be worn out. And basically that's the gear that just fit with the hole for the end, the regular handle, and that's it. It's simple. So I did install a micrometer to measure how much wiggle I get off the head, the chuck, also that give like a good idea of like how precise I could get my machining done. So overall it's like 1.6 millimeter out of it. It's like, it's not perfect, but for what I'm gonna do, it's quite enough. Okay, so I installed half-inch MDF board. Just gonna lock this system in, and there we go, it's locked, so it's stick. And we're gonna mill with 8 millimeter bit and see how it goes. So this time I've put 1/2 inch aluminum plate. I had same 8 mil and mill. Move the speed of the drill press to 3000, and we're gonna try the aluminum plate, see how it works now.